Hello guys, today I will show you how can 0.999 till infinite would be 1, so stick with the video. Now let's see how 0.9, 0.99, and 0.999 related to each other. Now let's see the proof. Let x be 0.999 till infinite. Now multiply 10 on both sides, it becomes 10x in right-hand side, and 9.999 till infinite on left-hand side. After that, subtract x from both sides, which gives us 9x on left side and 9 on right-hand side. Now cancel 9 from both the sides, which give us x equals 1, and we assumes x is 0.999 till infinite at the beginning. Hence proved. Subscribe for more such maths videos.